Hello friends, today I want to guide you how to verify age on a Roblox for chat. So once you open up your Roblox, so here you see the message your safety matters, let's check your age. So this is the new update which recently launched on a Roblox app. So I want to guide you in this video how to verify age on a Roblox for chat. First thing first, you need to simply update your Roblox app, and after that you need to simply open up the Roblox. Here once you tap on the chat, and here you notice that the chat option is now converted to the party, and you notice that the icon is also changed. So now when I tap on this one, so here at the top you notice that there is a message, you will soon need a age check. So you need to simply first tap on continue to verify your age on a Roblox chat. So basically it asking for the age verification. So here is all details. So let's use the camera to do the age check. So here is basically some steps I want to show you in this video. So the first thing, you need to simply open up your camera, and they asking you to capture 3 different angles of your photo. So basically you need to take a selfie photo. So I want to just tap on continue. I want to also show you the step by step capture the new photo for your Roblox chat verification. So I want to just first take a front face photo here, and now I want to just move to the left side. So you need to basically capture 3 different angle of your face basically to verify the age on Roblox for the chat. So now you notice that we estimated your age is 21 or older. So you need to simply tap on OK. So it will be automatically detects your age according to your face shape. And here you notice that I have successfully completed the age verification on a Discord for the chat. So now I can easily access the chat feature here, so I can do any chat with my friend. So the first thing, you need to simply open up the specific your friend username, and now here you can simply send the message by using say something in the text box. So now you can easily write anything in the text form on Roblox. So this is the new feature on a Roblox which recently launched. You can get this feature by the age verification that I have recently shown step by step. So in this way you can basically verify your age on a Roblox for the chat. I hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.